Hi, in front of me is POCO C55 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Begin by opening device's settings and choosing Bluetooth section right away. Following that, tap on the gray sweater next to Bluetooth feature to activate it. And wait for the available devices to show. When they do, click on the one that you wish to connect to. Lastly, select pair and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!